Anyway, I'm making Renee my favourite smoothie for lunch for the first time because she's never tried it, and like every time I make it, she's like FOMO. So I'm making my favourite smoothie at the moment for her. So I just thought I'd show you guys how I make it too, even though you've probably seen, because I've probably shown you already. Anyway, starting with bananas. Normally they would be frozen, but we don't have any frozen at the moment, so just going in with it, just break it into chunks. And I normally do, depending on the size of the bananas, anywhere from 1.5 to 2 bananas. These are quite big ones, so we're going with 1.5. So I'm just adding in about a cup of milk, and then I normally add in some more at the end, and then we're going to get the ice cubes. You got the ice?
Slipping away.
Oh.
4?
Yeah, about 4 ice cubes. 4 ice cubes, and then we're going to go in with the protein. I'm not doing a very good job of doing this for the camera right now, but basically I've now added in a heaped scoop of peanut butter protein and a heaped scoop of salted caramel protein, and now I'm going in with some hemp seeds, like about a tablespoon-ish. And it can just be any kind of seeds, really. Yep, that'll do. And then we are basically just gonna blend that, and it's gonna be real good. And then I'll I'll often add in a little bit more milk. Look how creamy it is. Oh my god, there's gonna be too much.
Oh!